Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video, and right now I have a special unboxing right now. Alright, I'm going to be unboxing this Corgeut watch. Corgeut, whichever one you want to say. I like Corgeut. It's French, you understand? Now, we're going to go ahead and unbox this joint, so let's get into it. P. Ross Wristwatch Love. Alright, people, and here we go with the unboxing of this Corgeut watch. True story. I did a video on the top 5 watch. This was one of them. A few years back, I had saw the Omega Seamaster 300, and I thought that it was like so beautiful that when I did the video for the AliExpress watches, they actually had a Homage. Very affordable, very affordable. You know what I mean? About 80 bucks. So I got the Homage watch to the Omega Seamaster 300. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and take it out as packaging. Nothing but some foam. There go the box. Okay, cool. Comes with the booklet. We don't need that. Okay. Comes with a cloth. Right here. With Corgeut on it. Now let's get into the piece, alright? And it is freaking beautiful. And there it is, y'all. The Corgeut. The Omega Seamaster 300 Homage watch. And it comes on a nice looking Nato strap. Like the stainless on it is thick. You know what I mean? The Nato is pretty thick. But I know for sure that what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to take it off, put on a more strap, of course. You know what I mean? So this is it, yo. Like, you know, there are some Homage watches that really catch my eye, and this particular one really caught my eye. I think it's great. It has a ceramic bezel, sapphire crystal. You know what I mean? You get all that for 80 bucks. You know what I mean? So, automatic Miyota 8215 movement, I believe. You know what I mean? So, it is what it is. Let's try this bad boy on the wrist, alright? Oh, but before I do, I got on the Timex Expedition. You know what I'm saying? Nice little field watch on the green olive Nato strap. A review is coming on this one soon. So, let's get into this. And here it is, y'all, on the wrist, on the gray and black Bond Nato. Yes, this thing is the bomb freaking shiggity. And I'm loving it. I'm loving this. You know what I mean? I don't know about y'all, what y'all think. But me, yo, it's on and popping. The aesthetics on this thing is beautiful. The dial is beautiful. You know, the pumpkin indices, all of that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's it for right now. We're going to be getting into a review for this bad boy. I'm going to switch it up, put it on a more strap. You know what I'm saying? That's probably how I wear it for the next couple days. Other than that, you know, your boy P. Ross. And we're in the building. Ross Wristwatch Love. And don't forget to check out the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast, all right? Episode 39 is out. Get it on all your podcasting places. Wherever you go, get your podcast at. We in the building. Peace.